Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, CR7. The man who scored over 900 career goals, the first in history to do so. 5 Ballon d'Ors, 5 Champions League titles, and a legacy that inspires billions. But behind the fame is a story of grit, sacrifice, and unyielding drive. Today, we are diving deep into Ronaldo's journey from a poor kid in Madeira to global icon. We'll explore how he inspires millions and the life-changing lessons we can all learn from him. If you're ready to be motivated, stick around. This is the ultimate CR7 story. Let's kick it off. Born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, Ronaldo was the youngest of 4 siblings in a working-class family. His father, Jose, was a gardener and kit man for a local club, while his mother, Maria, worked as a cook and cleaner. Money was tight. Ronaldo shared a room with his siblings and the family struggled. But from age 7, his passion for football shone through. He joined local club Andorinha, where his dad worked, and quickly stood out. By 10, he moved to CD Nacional, honing his skills. At 12, he trialed for Sporting CP in Lisbon, leaving home alone, a tough move for a kid. He faced bullying for his accent and homesickness, but his talent prevailed. This early hardship built his resilience. Ronaldo once said, "Talent without working hard is nothing." His story shows that greatness starts with overcoming obstacles. In 2002, at just 17, Ronaldo made his professional debut for Sporting CP. He scored twice in his first Primeira Liga game, catching eyes across Europe. In a friendly against Manchester United in 2003, he dazzled, helping Sporting win 3-1. United players urged Sir Alex Ferguson to sign him. At 18, Ronaldo joined Man United for £12 million, a record for a teenager. Arriving in England, he wore the iconic number 7 shirt, following legends like Beckham. Early days were rough, adapting to the Premier League's pace and criticism for showboating. But under Ferguson, he transformed into a goal machine. His first season, 6 goals. By 2006-07, he exploded with 23 goals, winning his first Premier League. The 2007-2008 season was magical. Ronaldo scored 42 goals in all competitions, leading United to a Premier League and Champions League double. He netted in the UCL final against Chelsea, though United won on penalties. At 23, he claimed his first Ballon d'Or, becoming the best player in the world. This era defined Ronaldo's work ethic. Teammates recall him staying late for training, perfecting free kicks. He bulked up, improved his heading, and became unstoppable. 3 consecutive Premier Leagues, an FA Cup, and the Club World Cup. Ronaldo's first spell at United was legendary. In 2009, Real Madrid shattered the transfer record with €94 million for Ronaldo. Expectations were sky high in the Galacticos era. He delivered 450 goals in 438 games, becoming Madrid's all-time top scorer. 4 Champions Leagues, 2014, 2016, 2017, 2018, including back-to-back wins, a modern first. Rivals like Messi pushed him. In 2011-12, Madrid hit 100 La Liga points. Ronaldo won Ballon d'Or in 2013, 2014, 2016 and 2017. His overhead kick versus Juventus in 2018, iconic. This phase showed Ronaldo's speed, power and clutch performances. In 2018, seeking new challenges, Ronaldo joined Juventus for €100 million. He won 2 Serie A titles, scoring 101 goals in 3 seasons. but UCL glory eluded them. In 2021, he returned to Manchester United, an emotional homecoming. He scored 24 goals in his first season back, but tensions arose, leading to a mutual exit in 2022 after a controversial interview. In 2023, Ronaldo signed with Saudi club Al Nassr on a massive deal. At 41 in 2026, he's still scoring over 60 goals already. He's elevated the league's profile and hit 900 career goals in 2024, a historic milestone. Off-field, his business empire, hotels, fashion, and 600 million Instagram followers make him a global brand. For Portugal, Ronaldo debuted at 18. Heartbreak in Euro 2004 final, but redemption in 2016. Captaining Portugal to their first major trophy, despite injury in the final. He won the Nations League in 2019. With 130 international goals, he's the all-time top scorer. World Cups, semis in 2006, but no title. Yet his passion endures. Ronaldo's story resonates because he rose from nothing. His discipline, no alcohol, strict diet, endless training, inspires athletes and everyday people. Philanthropy, donating millions to hospitals, education, and disaster relief. He's auctioned awards for charity and supports children's causes. Fans worldwide see him as proof that hard work beats talent. As he says, "I see myself as the best in the world and I work hard to be that." His mindset motivates millions to chase dreams. Here are 7 powerful lessons from Ronaldo's life. Hard work over talent. Ronaldo wasn't born the best. He trained relentlessly. Lesson: dedicate yourself daily. Perseverance through setbacks. From homesickness to injuries, he never quit. Lesson: view failures as fuel. Mental toughness. His focus under pressure is legendary. Lesson: build a strong mind through discipline. Consistency is key. 20 plus years at the top. Lesson: show up every day, no excuses. Hunger for success. Always chasing more. Lesson: stay ambitious, even after wins. Give back. His charity work shows true success is shared. Lesson: use your platform for good. Self-belief. Dream big. Lesson: believe in yourself. Ignore doubters. Cristiano Ronaldo isn't just a footballer. He's a symbol of what's possible with grit. His journey inspires us to push limits and learn from every step. Thanks for watching. If this motivated you, like, subscribe, and comment your top lesson below.